How to fix headphone sound problem in Windows? First step, select the correct output device. Right click speaker icon on the taskbar. Click it. Click sound settings. Under output, look at the available devices. If there is a one or more devices or listed means you need to select your current device you are using. Select it. Next step, check the volume mixer. Right click the speaker icon. Open volume mixer. In these under app sections, make sure system is not muted. The system sound. Make sure it. Next, check the application you are using. Make sure its volume is not set to 0. Check it. Once checking after, move on with next step. Run Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Click Settings. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click Troubleshoot Settings. Click Other Troubleshoot. In this, select Audio. Click Run. Follow the on-screen instruction which are given. So once you're clicking after, a pop-up will appear. In this, you need to wait for some times and get help. Using this, you need to follow the instruction which are given. Move on with next step. Search for device manager. Click it. Expand audio input and output. Look for your headphones or speakers. If you are seeing yellow warning symbols, there is probably a driver problem. So you need to update. Right click it and click update drivers. Once complete after, one more time right click and click scan for hardware changes. Close it. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. se or vices.msc services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click it, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Check for both. One more time right click and click Restart. Once complete after, close it and restart the device. Thank you.